Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in Excel cell. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many data, but the image dialog box is empty. Now we want to insert image into this cell. Select the cell and go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu, choose rectangle. Then draw the rectangle, press and drag on Alt on our keyboard. Then apply the same process in another all cell. Draw the rectangle, press and hold the Alt on our keyboard. Then select the first shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose the shape outline, select no outline. Click the shape fill option and click the picture fill. Then click work offline and select your picture. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then select the next cell and click the shape outline, choose no outline and select the fill and insert a picture. Now click work offline and insert another image. Apply the same process in another cells. Select another box and click the outline, make no outline and select fill and choose picture and insert a picture. Now we can see we insert picture in table cell easily. You want to resize the table cell and we can see automatically the image is resized. You can resize the column and image is automatically resized. Now we can see we insert image into table cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.